everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and one of my favorite authors is Kiera. So when I found out that the Selection series had 2 more books, I knew that I had to get them. The Crown is actually the last book of the Selection series, and it is an amazing ending to an amazing book series. The Crown tells the story of Eadlyn, which is America's Singer's daughter, and we get to see her experience her own romance journey. So in this case, she has to go through her own selection. She has to decide who she wants to marry from a group of 35 suitors. And I love this story because we can compare the differences between Eadlyn's character and her own mother's character. And we also get an ending that was not expected. So basically, its ending was not predictable. And that is something that I really enjoyed. As you can see, this is the hardcover copy of The Crown. It is completely beautiful, and it is also very easy to read. And that is my point of view.